Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is about how to fix something that you don't really like and make something beautiful out of it. And if that sounds interesting, just stay tuned. It started when I demolded those two pieces and I poured the purple and the pink stuff first, and then I let that cure and backed it all up with the yellow Porsalino. So what happened was that the yellow color went underneath the other colors somehow in the mold. I don't know why that happened. I maybe should have poured that all at once, and then it would have had an even surface, but it didn't. So it had kind of lumps from the yellow stuff, and yeah, I really did not like that. So what I did, I put some water in it and I sanded it until I had a smooth surface on both pieces. And that took quite a while, and that's why I let this run a little faster for y'all. So while I was sanding my world away with those two trays, I was really not satisfied with the way they looked. And the more I sanded, the more I disliked them. And I was thinking, what can I do with them? And the other thing was that they haven't even been like flat on the table. I don't know why, because they were on a plain surface, so they should have been flat at all. So, but I'm not a quitter, so I just thought of something. I took some gloss varnish and I put a lot of glitter in there, just to have it more like a paste. And I, yeah, did the rim over there just in parts, and I will also do some of the lines that are already in the tray. And with every step that I made further ahead, I like the tray much better than than the first time I see them. After I'm done with the glitter, I use this acrylic paint here. I bought this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link for it in the bottom, in the description box. And this is a really highly pigmented color with lots of sparkle in it. And this is really beautiful. I'm just, yeah, I'm just over the, yeah, I don't know, I can't even tell. It's really nice, this color. So I was thinking like geode style, because the stripes and all that, and I just mimicked some of the lines that already have been into the tray, And yeah, I was thinking like geode style stuff, and yeah, this came out like that. And this is what it looked like when I was finished with it. And I really like the sparkle and the color. And on the other tray, I did the exact same thing. I just used gold glitter and gold color. And yeah, from looking at it now, it was time well spent. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. It's always nice hearing from you. Thank you for that. And this is what this one looks like, and I really, really like it. At the end, I poured a layer of resin on top of the trays just to seal in the colors and the glitter. And I think it's a really, really nice project. So I hope you had lots of fun and you liked what I did. And I hope I see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.